Today we're going to be writing some lines from a poem. I've already written the first verse, but I'd like to practice writing this with you. So the verse says, Mr. Brown the circus clown puts his clothes on upside down. He wears his hat upon his toes and socks and shoes upon his nose. When you do a capital letter, remember they don't join. So when I've done the words Mr. and Brown, which are both proper nouns, Mr. Brown is his name, I haven't joined the letters together. There are also some other letters that don't join, but in this passage I haven't got any of those. All of the other letters should join together. Remember, most of the letters should take up half of the line. If it's a regular letter, like the letter C, or the letter I, or the letter R, it takes up half the line. If it's a capital letter, it will go nearly to the top, as will all of the ascenders. Letters like T and H will go to the top of the line. Some letters will be descenders. They'll go slightly below the line, like the letter P. Let's see if we can write this one together. Mr. Brown the circus clown puts his clothes on upside down. If I've gone a little bit too quick for you, feel free to replay past this video to have a look at me forming those letters again. I'll carry on. He wears his hat upon his toes and socks and shoes upon his nose. I'm going to carry on the poem now and write the second verse. See if you can write the second verse with me. Notice how when I wrote the word ties, I joined all of the letters and then I crossed the T at the very end. That's what you need to do as well, so that you don't break the page. He ties his ties around his thighs. This is the first one where I haven't joined a letter. The letter G doesn't join. It ends on the left-hand side. And if I was to join, it would look quite messy. So I decide to leave a small gap, but not a finger space between the words because it's still the same word. And wraps his belt around his eyes. He hangs his earrings, another G that doesn't join, from his hips and stockings from his fingertips. Let's stop there for today. If you found any of this quite difficult, perhaps you could practice those words again.